right? Her eye level is above the top of the drawing here. If you look at those sheets there, you have to find two pieces of information to get the drawing lined up with what's happening in real life. Because in real life, the building's not this big.
Right.
You've zoomed in, right? So she found two pieces of information. She sat down, and not most people will be sitting, but for her, she was kind of even crouching down a little bit more, okay? Her eye level was 18 inches, okay? Then we need to define the size of something in her drawing that we can make the comparison to, okay? So the height of this little thing, do you have your vine trouble? Okay. So again, this is a pretty specific example here, and that'll be good because you guys can maybe work from that, okay? So the height of this little piece of molding right here is 1.5 inches.
In real life? Or
in real life, okay? So in her drawing here, when I measure that from here to here, it's 3 inches. Well, 2.5 inches, okay? So it's 1.5 in real life, but in her drawing, it's 2.5 inches, okay? So here's where the math comes in. And I left my phone over there again. No, he's got my phone. Okay, anybody's got a calculator on their phone?
Oh, yes.
Get it out. We're going to take 18 and divide it by 1.5. 12? Exactly.
12.
What?
12.
12, okay? So we're going to take that 12, all right, and we're going to multiply that times 2.5.
30.
Okay? So the eye level in real life is 18, and the eye level in the drawing is 30. Does that make sense how we got it? You're going to sit down, and you're going to hold the ruler up, and you're going to look at it and find your eye level, okay? So for this example, she did that. But instead of sitting, she was down like this, and she went like this, and she looked in the ruler, and that was 18, okay? But most people are going to be sitting comfortably and finding their eye level, okay? So 30 inches was the eye level in her drawing, right? So I'm going to take this ruler, I'm going to line it up to the bottom corner here, where her molding starts, and then I'm going to raise this up until I get 30 inches. It sounds confusing. Hopefully we'll be able to work that out a little bit better, okay? So I've got it at 30 inches. Isabel, I'm going to move that over. What's wrong? But what's wrong with that? It's 30 inches from that to here. What's wrong with that? It's crooked, okay? I know it sounds basic, but we've got to turn that to make sure that the top and bottom border are parallel to the line that's up here, okay? Once we have that there, with that information, okay, you took your skewers and you measured your first two angles, right? So come on over here. We're going to work together.
Can I put this down?
Yep. Okay. You're going to take that. You're going to line it up on the bottom corner there. We're going to line it up here to the eye level. And it's as easy as that. There's your vanishing point. Okay? Now, actually, pull a little bit more of that string out all the way across the drawing. Pull it down, 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 down. Okay, that way you can use it. All right? So, there's your vanishing point. So line it up to your floorboard. Yep. It's wrong, right? You're going to wipe it out and you're going to redo it based on that string. Line it up to here where the floorboard is. Wrong, right? It's going to go out a little bit more. It's going to go here. What about here? That's wrong, right? But everything's going to be checked with, and you can see how this and this are now parallel to each other. They're going to the right spot. You've got to find your first angle. Remember the first angle we found? Trust in that with your skewers. You found the correct angle. Then we're going to find the vanishing point on the other side.